Ashutosh Kumar Singh. I am here to start next topic of the chapter set. Set. This topic will be complement of set. Complement set. It means let U be the universal set and A be the subset of universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of universal set which not the element of A. If A, it means suppose that we have a U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and subset of A is equal to 2, 4, then complement of set A dash is equal to U minus A. U minus A, it means whatever the element are present in A, that will be cancelled out, then will be 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 will be the value of complement set. It is denoted by A dash. A dash means U minus A. Now property of complement set. First one is the complement law. Complement law, it means a set A and complement of A, the universal of both value is U. It means union set of the both value will be universal set and intersection will be pi. This is the complement law. De Morgan law, complement of two set, complement of A union B is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B and A intersection B. Complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B. Law of double complementation. It means suppose that complement of set A, after that again find the complement of set A. It means complement of A complement A is equal to A. And fourth one is the law of empty and universal set. Law of empty, it means phi. Empty, it means phi. Complement of phi, it means phi dash. The complement of phi dash is equal to universal set and complement of universal set will be phi. Now this is the complement and property of the complement. Now after that we have to discuss the problem which are related to the practical problem on the union and intersection of the set, which are related to the intersection and union of the set. Now student, some formula which are related to the these type of problem which are union and intersection of the set. Let A and B be the finite set if A intersection B is equal to phi. Let A and B be the finite set and A intersection B is equal to phi. Then first number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B. Number of A, it means number of element in the set A and number of element in the set B. Now in general form, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Suppose there are two finite sets is there. If any condition is there, A intersection B is equal to phi, then the value of this formula will be this. And in general form, the formula of an A union B is equal to number of element in set A plus number of element in set B minus number of element in A intersection B. If three finite set A, B, C, then what will be the formula will be? A number of A union B union C is equal to number of element in set A, number of element in set B, number of element in set C minus number of element in A intersection B minus number of element in B intersection C minus number of element in A intersection C plus number of element A intersection B intersection C. The meaning of this one will be, it means those values which are common in three sets, set A, set B and set C. Now by the exercise 1.5 we have to solve some problem related to the complement of set. First is that if U is equal to U, it means universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the value of complement of A, complement of B, complement of A union C, and complement of A union B, and complement 2 times the complement of set A, and complement of the B minus C. Now only I have to solve 2 or 3 problems, and rest of the same like as. First of all, A dash is equal to U minus A. Complement of A dash, it means U minus A. The value of U will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and minus complement of A will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the value are same in both set, universal and set A? We have to cancel out. Suppose that 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, we cancel out. What is the left value? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, complement of B dash, U minus B. What will be the value in same both set? We have to cancel, and rest value we have to write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now A union C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, union 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A union of this one will be 1, 2, 3 in both. We have to one time 4 in both, 5 and 6. Now complement of A union C, it means A union C dash is equal to U minus A union C. If the value of U will be this one and minus this one, we get 7, 8, 9. This is the example which are related to the complement of set. Practical problem based on the union and intersection, which are related to the exercise 1.6. We have to discuss here exercise 1.6. In 1.6, the question number first: if x and y are two sets, if x and y are two sets such that number of element in set x is equal to 17 and number of element in set y is equal to 23 and number of element x union y is equal to 38, then find the value of number of x intersection y. Now the formula we have to use A and B. Now in the question x and y is here, so we have to write in the form of x and y. Number of x union y is equal to number of element in x plus number of element in y minus number of element x intersection y. So we have to put in the value number of element in x union y is equal to 38, number of x into 7 is equal to 70, and number of element in set y is equal to 23 minus number of x intersection y. We have to transport this one in that side, so we get plus positive sign, minus will transport that side. Positive number of element x intersection y is equal to 17 plus 23, 40 and 38 here, minus 38. 40 minus 38 is equal to 2. Now another problem, another way, because question number 3rd of exercise 1.6, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many can speak both Hindi and English? When in question asking about both is in the sense it means common. Common means intersection. Always we have to find the value which are related to in common. It means intersection. Now here Hindi and English two subject is there. The number of element in Hindi 250, so we have 12 and x is equal to 250, and number of English it means 200 and 400 group में it means total people, it means number of Hindi union English is equal to 400. Now number of Hindi intersection English is equal to what? Now we have to use the formula here. Formula: number of Hindi union English is equal to number of Hindi plus number of English minus number of Hindi intersection English. We have to put in 400, 250, 200 minus this one. Now this one we have to transpose in this side, so we get positive, and 400 transfer here, so we get minus negative. 250 plus 200, 450 minus 400 is equal to 50. It means 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Now another way of the element, way of the question. Now if x and y are two sets such that x has 40 elements and X union Y has 60 element and X intersection Y has 10 element. How many element does Y have? Only Y. Now number of element is set X 40 union 60 intersection 10 and number of element Y is equal to what? So we have to use this one formula. Number of element X union Y is equal to 60 and number of element in set X is equal to 40, number of Y asking and number of X intersection Y is equal to 10. Now 60, 40 minus 10 is 30 plus number of Y element in set Y, and 30 we have to transpose here, 60 minus 30. Now we get imply that number of elements set Y is equal to 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. So this will be the answer. Now another way of the question asking in question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 40 like cricket and 10 like both cricket and tennis. It means total student union is given. Cricket, it means cricket NC is given, like both, it means NC in intersection T. T matlab tennis. How many like tennis only? How many students only tennis only? It means NT is asking about, and not cricket. And how many like tennis? It means how many like tennis here? We have to write solution. Find out the solution. Solution, it means number of cricket union tennis is equal to 65, number of cricket is equal to 40, number of cricket intersection tennis is equal to 10. So we have to use the formula. Number of cricket will be equal to number of cricket plus number of tennis minus number of cricket intersection tennis. 65 cricket 40, tennis asking intersection 10. Now 65, 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 plus NT, it means tennis. NT is equal to 30 will transport here. So 65 minus 30 is equal to 35. 35 like tennis only. It means how many like tennis only? How many? 35 like tennis only. Now after that, one question is more. How many like tennis only and not cricket? Tennis only and not cricket is means T minus C asking about. Number of element tennis not cricket. It means T minus C. Mathematics language not is there, it means minus. Number of tennis minus cricket is equal to number of tennis minus number of cricket intersection tennis. Number of tennis, how we have to find? 35. Number of cricket intersection tennis, yeah, we get 10. So 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. Now student, this exercise is very important point of view of your in IIT JEE Mains. So we have to study here basically problem and basic formula is there. So be careful and be active, actively participate and be sensitive. Thank you.